Have you ever had data in multiple fields that you really want to get all together? You want to unpivot it or pivot it, whichever is the right direction? Well, I ran into this problem recently, and I found a solution that I think might be helpful to you as well. Hi, Weston Palmer. I love to share what I've learned with Tableau with you. I hope you'll find something interesting in this video. So I've got sales, and I have several elements in a sale. I've got what I call consumables, fees, inventory cost, net profit, packaging, revenue. So I'm going to bring the order number over, and then I'm going to bring these, just double click these and add these to the chart. I'm not going to do the revenue because that's the total of everything. So what I want is I want a bar chart, a horizontal bar chart that shows the breakdown for these different items. What I can do is I'm going to grab this measure values and bring it up to columns. Well, that doesn't quite get me what I want because I want it all in one bar, but I want it color coded. So I'm going to bring this measure names and I'm going to bring that over to color. Now we've got the chart for each order. We can see how much the different cost elements are all added up together. I've done this type of thing before. We're going to grab the revenue. We're going to bring this over and have a secondary axis or a dual axis. Right click. We're going to make this a dual axis. Got to change this back to bar. I don't know why it defaults to. Okay, the revenue is a bar and all the measure names are bars. But we're actually going to swap these so that the revenue is on the bottom. Let's synchronize the axis, and the pink should disappear because the pink should be totaling the other values. And now I'm going to go to the revenue. I'm going to show the marks. We're going to change this to default properties, currency. We're going to get rid of the pennies. And so now you can see 120. Well, let's pick one that's easier for me to do the math on. 120. 102 for the inventory cost, 18 for the revenue. So there you go. That's how you can take different measures, different fields, and put them into a single column or single bar chart. And I'm pretty excited about that. Instead of unpivoting the fields, you can put the measures on the columns or the rows and use that as a value and then move the measure names to the color. I think it's a pretty great idea, and I hope you guys can find some uses for it.